Welcome to Kotlin Tutorial Part 6. Today, we will explore type conversion and common mistakes. Sometimes we need to change one data type into another. This process is called type conversion.
Look at this code. The value 100 is stored as a string, not as a number. If we try to add 50 to it, we get a strict error. To fix this, we can convert the string into an integer. We use the built-in toInt function. It acts exactly like a conversion machine.
Now the value is an actual integer. Kotlin can easily perform mathematical operations on it, like adding 50 to get 150.
Kotlin provides several built-in functions for converting data types. You can use toInt, todouble, tofloat, tolong, or toString.
Let's put it all together inside a main function. We can easily convert a string to an int to a double, and even a double back to a string. Look closely at the exact outputs on your screen.
Now, let's look at common mistakes. Mistake number 1, trying to change a val. A variable created with the val keyword is locked and cannot be reassigned.
Mistake number 2, using the wrong quotes. Double quotes always create a string. Single quotes always create a char. Do not mix them up. Mistake number 3, forgetting the F for floats. A decimal number like 99.5 is a double by default. To make it a float, you must add the letter F at the end. Let's summarize. Use conversion functions inside main. Val variables cannot change. Double quotes for string, single quotes for char. Next topic, Kotlin operators. Happy coding!